Now, we talked about what makes many of these minority immigrant-owned businesses succeed. Talk about what has made them fail.
The failure sometimes is a lack of differentiation. There seems to be a race to the bottom. For example, if you look in some of the ethnic communities, you'll find that somebody opens up a nail salon or a small coffee shop, and then within 5 minutes there's 15 of them on the same block. And how these businesses survive is generally by cutting prices rather than there being differentiation. And we need to help small businesses understand that you have to differentiate your business. You can't compete on price only, because what that means is that the business that's in the area longest will ultimately have to close. And I see this all the time. For example, there was a fruit and vegetable store that opened, and then somebody opened right next door. Now, the business that had been open for some time had expended its capital in setting up the shop, buying the inventory, etc. The new shop came in, and that owner still had a financial reserve because he just started. And so he lowered his prices. And in order to compete, the shop that had been there longer lowered his prices. Eventually, the newer business was able to survive, and the older business closed, and then somebody else opened another shop. And it continues. As I say, it's a race to the bottom, and they don't see that.
Is there anything that's being done to help businesses understand that and help differentiate themselves?
Well, the problem is catching them before they start a business, isn't it? I mean, once they've started, it's a problem. So we're trying to help produce workshops and things in the community that reach people before they begin to start a business. Otherwise, it's almost too late once they put the money in.